end of season 2. We got season 3 coming.
It's a little dirty, but where should we go next? I mean, we have a lot to cover.
Worked up about the fridge. We didn't look down to see that when it fell out, it cut into our laminate flooring.
Like, subscribe so our friends don't miss out.
Anyway, guys, check it out. We're on the end of season 2. We got season 3 coming. You guys are gonna want to check it out and like, subscribe, show all your friends, because we got some really big things changing. Yeah, watch this whole video, because there is a lot of things that we got fixed that you guys are gonna want to see. The manufacturer knocked that out of the park, no problem. They did wonderful, and I highly recommend Forest River. If you guys are in the market, check out Forest River, give them a look. We got a lot of things coming, a lot of things. So like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one.
Come on, come with. Just a little dirty, but where should we go next? I mean, we have a lot to cover. But yeah, we got some big plans somewhere. Somewhere here. You guys want to like, subscribe, show all your friends, watch that next video, the next few videos, because yeah, we got something coming up crazy around here. I don't know where. You guys are gonna want to see that. So right here, they put a new, they caulked it, filled it up pretty nice, put a new trim here, I think. Yeah, but right here, this is the new track that they put. They call it ski, so they call it skis. So this ski is a lot bigger than our other skis, and I like it. It's a hard plastic.
See how it goes all the way this way? And we were having problems with this catching, so they went all the way that way with it. And we'll show you guys on another slide.
This slide didn't butt up all the way.
Yeah, so they fixed the slides. They all didn't really go in all the way. And then they replaced both of our fenders because they were cracking.
They were cracking right here.
Yep.
Right here. Everyone. Every screw.
And that's really all they did outside, honestly. So here's a fridge update. This is how Houston was able to refasten it to what we had at the time. So it was coming out right here, and it almost looks like they put an extra piece down there a little bit. But if you look inside the freezer, anchors for the fridge, and they put them sideways. So hopefully that'll hold a little bit better. We haven't had a problem with it. Oh yeah, our table, because we can't travel with it up because it's gonna fall over. Fix the little feet underneath here because they were broken. Put the table back so it's sturdy and it's not falling over. We got new cushions. We have another set of cushions. These ones are too short. I'm buying cushion savers for the other ones. Our light that's broken. We got a new lamp. This is in the 2025 version of ours.
And it matches our appliances.
They just don't have the R version anymore. It's like discontinued, so we got this one. I'm not mad about it.
So come with us to the manufacturer.
And the other thing they fixed was the door frame. So somehow, I don't know if it was our kids or what, but they pulled it out of the actual door itself.
Could have been push the slide. Maybe we accidentally bumped the slide.
Yeah, or
because
something.
it touches here.
So they filled all the holes and they secured the door back pretty good. I don't have any. We have 2 big cracks in our shower pan. Crack there, and we think it's leaking water down. So they installed a new shower pan. Looks way better. Still worked up about the fridge. We didn't look down to see that when it fell out, it cut into our laminate flooring. So this right here, I don't know what ended up happening right here, but you can't even tell. So we had like 2 spots, you can kind of see it right here. We had 2 spots that were, that showed the actual wood and didn't have wallpaper on it, and they repaired it It looks way better. So next, this door right here was peeling. Just like we were explaining to you guys, the front surface of this was peeling off. Down there and up here, it looks way better. Way better. So the next thing they fixed were both the skylights. And you can't really tell, they just replaced it because it was leaking.
But our other one had like a
gap.
A gap, right?
Yeah. So these were recalled on our model.
Yeah. You could see where the other one was.
Yeah. They were recalled on our model. It looks pretty good though. There was a leak up here in our shower from this skylight in the bathroom, and they put this trim back up and fixed it. We got a new skylight in here, and then underneath they also they kills painted, and then they had to sand because there was a little bit of water damage because of this leaking. They replaced this wallpaper too because there was a spot up here. So they replaced it and it looks really good. Hey guys. So that's everything that Forest River fixed. We're pretty happy. Overall,
big shout out to Forest River. Thank you guys. We appreciate it. Yeah, if you guys are in the market, I keep telling you, check out Forest River.
It's a little bit cheaper than buying like a Brinkley or a Grand Design, and I don't know, it was pretty nice.
Yeah, and you see, there's big things going against Grand Design. Not so much Brinkley, but Grand Design. There's a lot of things going on, but
yeah.
So we also got some shirts that we would want to show you guys. So keep watching that video so you guys can check them out.
Yeah. Houston's gonna show you all the shirts. So
we got a few, and if you guys want to get to see some, if you guys would like to start purchasing shirts, drop that in the comments down below because my beautiful wife here can make that happen. We could. Definitely do get you guys some shirts for the summer. That way you guys can rock rolling with Sanchez. But until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one.
How am I supposed to jump?
Turn around.
With a toe like this.
No, I have to see the back. Stop. Look over your can better. Jump. You jump. Turn. Yep. Turn.
So guys, how do you like our shirts? Well, our shirt, I should say. We do have a few lineups of shirts that we're gonna bring to you guys. If you guys want to get more, yeah, let us know. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Check out that sunset. Check out that sunset. Beautiful. But I have a question. Do you like this shirt? This shirt? Oh, slow down for the camera. Let's just say you like that shirt? This shirt?
Oh, people think you're crazy.
Or this shirt? Like, subscribe, show all your friends. That's all my shirts.
Turn. Okay, there you go.
So, like, subscribe, show our friends. If you guys want to purchase one of these shirts, my beautiful wife can make that happen. Yeah, you're not gonna want to miss out. I think this one is gonna be our #1 seller right now, because if you RV, this is our new saying brought to you by my father-in-law. It's not all flamingos and pineapples. So, like, subscribe, show our friends. Don't miss out. Catch you guys on the next one.